there's a plugin that I installed that I strongly suggest. It's called Yoast SEO. SEO, it's search engine optimization. It's basically like, do you want your website to be Google friendly? Well, then yes, please. And they give you a little sad face, okay? And now you need to make the sad face happy. So you can see in the red here, sad face, no outbound links appear in this. No image appear. No internal link. Key phrase length. So you just fix everything one by one, okay? The focus key phrase for that was, it was nourriture en Thaïlande. So like food in Thailand. So the focus key phrase is here. That's it. I searched. Many people are searching for that. And then slowly you will make Yoast SEO happy. The little red sad face will turn into a green happy face. If he asks for something, go back to the transcript. Take your transcript, pass it to ChatGPT, tell him to extract whatever YouTube, WordPress, Yoast SEO is asking you, and pass it there. Like, so it's text. Like we will add a thing in the blog post to tell them like, hey, this blog post was generated by AI from the transcript. We put it there for you to read if you want to read, but if you don't want to read, like, watch the entire video there. Then you have now let's say you would click publish. I won't do it right now because I would need to work on it. So now you would have a YouTube video with title, description, keywords. You would have a blog post. So if people want to read your content instead, they can read it. The AI is very good at generating a blog post, especially from a transcript. And especially if you talk for 30 minutes, then like the AI really sounds like you. It's surprising. And I will show in a future video how to make the AI sound even more like you, to have your own GPT. If you record content, it won't be that hard. The next step